Hey guys, in this video I'm going to illustrate to you how we perform a pre-shipment inspection for portable air conditioners. After quantity count, our inspector will randomly pick samples to visually inspect the packaging quality, rating stickers, energy labels, safety warning, and user manual to make sure no wrong information is printed. Our inspector takes apart some of the products to verify the constructing quality of the products and to make sure the critical components are compliant with CDF list that has been approved by the third-party certification lab with its original design. CDF is a constructional data form. It's a list of critical components for a piece of equipment or device. The reason we only take one or two products apart is because most of the products will get damaged irreversibly after being dismantled and need to be scrapped. Your suppliers might change components of the products without notifying you, which might breach the certificates and bring inconsistency to your products. We attach great attention to the functional testing and check every single function of the air conditioners as per the description stated in the user manual, such as timer setting, fan speeds, and mode settings, etc. Earth continuity, dielectric strength, current leakage, and insulation resistance are 4 critical safety testing we must carry out on the samples to ensure no shock hazards are exposed to the end users. Remote control is something we should not miss. While we turn on all the samples for long-running tests and safety tests, our inspector will test the functioning of the remote controls. Damages of the packaging and products are also something we don't want to see when the customers receive the products. So we also perform the transportation simulation test, which mainly include vibration test and free fall drop impact test at different angles. Noise level of the portable air conditioners means a lot to your customers. These days, most portable air conditioners have normal decibel levels in the 40 to 60 range. This must be done in an acoustic chamber where we place the AC unit in the middle of the room and have 4 microphones placed around it to get the readings of the decibel. To test the full tank aero code function, we pour water into the tank and check if the aero code starts flashing and the unit stops running. That's it for this video. I hope you're enjoying it.